Of everything that you're purchasing, land aside, what percentage of your purchases are not at the lowest dollar value you could buy them at?
Nathan, take it. You got the mic.
Yeah, we actually talked briefly about this in my group. Being a smaller company, I don't think I ever probably have the cheapest guy. It still boils down to service. So I put a lot of value on someone that can work with me efficiently, one point person. They can accommodate deliveries and requests easily. I'm always willing to pay, a little bit more for that level of service. So it's not all about price for me.
Yeah, I totally agree. We were having a conversation with somebody earlier, is if you are going to hire the cheapest plumber to fix your house, contractor's going to hire the cheapest plumber to build their customers' houses, but it's the same thing, right? It's time is money. And as long as it's not egregiously large difference, but there's more to purchasing products, at least in our business, than pure price. It's that service factor, it's reliability, it's trust. And if you can have the lowest price, but if you don't have any of those three, you're not doing business with New South.
Yeah, and I think you get what you pay for, right? So I know from experience that we don't always go with the lowest bidder. Everything that was mentioned before, relationship, the ability to execute, accountability, communication, all of those things are important because at the end of the day, we have to build a product. So I think it's important to have competition and make sure that we're taking these product out to market to make sure we're getting fair pricing. But I do not always go with the lowest price.